welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to attempt and start this car.
Young rapping dude, might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light, whip that Harley bike, all black, I'm the party.
What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to attempt and start the engine. But before I do this, I need to replace a radiator which is broken. And to get to the radiator, I need to get that thing out of the way. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm struggling. Well, I'm learning myself. Turns out to remove this thing, you just need to twist one side and lift it up. Then the other side will unlatch easily. So there is one bolt that I'm not able to unscrew, and maybe you will see it. Yeah, this is the one. Everything is so rusted over here, but I have mostly everything out. That's the only bolt that's hold this thing together, and everything is like really rusted. I would need to order a new bracket for this. Okay, let's moving on. I'll try to get off the fence maybe first, and it'll give me more space, so I'll probably be able to remove it from the top. We'll see. I would need to remove the fence either way. Let's go. It is out. Oh, don't worry, I have cleaned it with the engine degreaser, so it will not attract any animals, and I don't want them to die. But this piece is done. I'm not even sure how I'm going to get this fan off. To get the other fan is actually not that hard. You can just slide it out because there is two open holes on the bottom, so you can just slide out, and this thing, whatever I'm doing, is useless. Okay, so far we have removed the radiator, so everything looks rusted. Well, what do you expect? The car is from 90s. Now I'm going to replace the filter, and these pieces are in a really bad shape. So this is supposed to go over here, and it's supposed to hold two AC lines, and this is the brackets for the lines, and they are really in a bad shape. So I'm not going to put them back. Probably going to put the radiator back either way, but I would need to get the new set of those things, and I still haven't removed all the oil from the engine. With my tool, it's really not that easy. It takes really long time. So taking the air filter off and put in the new one, and try and figure out why the car does not start. So let's go.
Yeah.
stupid thing that I looked inside. It looked like not the filter was wet. There was a lot of dirt inside. Well, and of course I cannot leave it like this. Now I have to clean it, which is also a plus in restoring projects. Okay, so now as the box reinstalled and cleaned, I'm going to put the air filter. This one is much better than the old one. I can show you the difference. Oh, this is a totally different one, not the original. But this one is old, moldy, and wet. This is strange, of course, but so this is out. No trash. This one goes in. Radiator. Let's open it up and let's see in what shape it is before we install it. Okay, so this is a bit better solution. But I'm still missing one because it's in a box and I do not have those things. So I need to plug this because I don't have the oil coolers, and I need to take out those two holders that go on the side. First I need to remove the clips over here and on the bottom for easier access. Just to easy to push and undo the clip with a flat screw. One piece undone. Other side. Oh, it's in bad shape. No, this is officially trash. Now we have another problem. This thing does not fit here. I guess I'll need to screw a bigger hole. Let's do it. So, we're in luck. I was able to put those things inside. Using this, I made the hole bigger, and it was just enough so that it can go inside. Now it's time to install it back into the engine bay. Let's hope everything works.
Two hours later.
This is coming really close. It's almost, well, the sun is already down. I need to move faster. So I have changed the oil. I have tried to charge the battery, but that's no luck. The battery needs to be replaced. I have knocked on the starter, and now I know that this is the problem with the starter. It's just rusted. So I used my other car, to charge the battery and just try to wiggle it a little bit with hope that it will start, because I heard knocks. So it was trying to start the engine, but there was no success. So right now I'm going to start my jumper pack, and hopefully it will start this time, because this is really close. Let's hope. Yes, go! It was so close. Turns out this thing is amazing. Best $40 spent. Okay. Start. Oh, so close. Let's do it. I tried. Unfortunately, the car does not start. Starter right now is working, so that's a good thing. And the car is trying to start. It would probably run, but the battery is dead. If the battery is dying and it's not getting power, I think the probably generator is also dead, or the fuse is out. Check those fuses. They are okay, all of them. I have no idea why. Some of them are rusted, but they are fine. So this is it, I guess. I tried my best, and this is already dark. I need to pack all this stuff in my working van, kinda, and go back home. I hope you enjoyed the journey that I had. If you like, from what you see, and I am learning myself. I am not the mechanic, but I kind of have a general idea how it's supposed to work. So I'm trying, I'm learning. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments below. You can always write to me, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to respond. And this is it. This is going to be the end of the video. So if you like, put a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm really tired. Comment your ideas, thoughts, what could be wrong, and subscribe, of course. I only have like less than 100. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you next video. Good night.